this is just going to be a very short ride. It's too wet and windy to do much exploring, and it's not going to be able to get the drone up in these conditions. So just going to do a quick dog leg between Masterton and Pahiatua. And just have a look at a couple of roads around there. Anyway, let's see if there's anything worthwhile along this route. Eastville, where the Space Cowboys come from. Chickens scratching around for grubs and insects. I love it when the clouds hit this dramatic. Nice. Well, that was even shorter than I was expecting. There's a couple of nice little roads there, but the conditions didn't really make it good for exploring. I think I saw a couple of other roads that might be worth having a look down on a fine day. But I'll just leave it at that for now. Get home, try and dry out a bit. Anyway, hopefully the next one will be a bit more interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.